do is pick a colorful picture in a magazine. Here I'm going to use a cover of Auto Week magazine. And we're going to use this as a subject on how to mix and match colors with paint. So what I did was cut a 7 by 7 inch piece of heavy duty poster board so it would fit in the magazine, and I'm going to create a 1 inch grid, okay, on this 7 by 7 inch area. So I've traced off the poster board and I'm marking off 1 inch segments on the bottom of the picture plane and the top, so I can get my 2 points, and then we'll just pull our lines in between. This way my lines will be even all the way across. Okay, so here I want to touch my pencil to the bottom point with the ruler, slide over to the top point, hold it very tightly, and then pull your line to you. When you pull your line, it comes across a lot smoother, and you will not tear the magazine. Okay, so you want to touch, bump, and line it up. Now here you can see I can't really see it because it's so dark, so go back and remeasure it. So I remeasured here at the 3 inch mark. So I want to touch it, bump, and pull the line. Okay. And here I'm going to speed up through this. Okay, and then you want to turn it the other way and do the same thing again. And this will automatically give me a 1 inch grid all the way across the picture, which should give me 49 boxes since it's 7 by 7 inches. And then you want to cut it out so it's exactly 7 by 7 inches. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect, just close enough. The next step is to do the same thing on your poster board. We'll mark off our 1 inch increments all the way around, and then we'll connect our points and pull our lines like so. Touch it, slide over, bump it, pull. And then what we're going to do is number the boxes across the top and then letter them going down the side. The first box should be 1A. Okay, from that point, I'm going to choose the dominant color that I see in each square, and I'm going to write it in each one, working my way from left to right all the way across, top to bottom. So I have to choose a dominant color that I see. Now you might see something a little bit different, but this is about the individual and what you see, and you want to pull that color out, and we're going to try to match that with paint in a minute. So here, the second box is going to be black. The next one, sometimes I put initials, but I want to write out. Here, the third box should be blue-black. See the next one, I'm going with gray-green. And I'm only choosing one color. Although there's multiple colors in each square or box, I want to pull the dominant color that I see. So like in the area for the car, of course it would be orange. But then there are variations of orange, yellow, orange, okay? Or there could be orange that is darker, and I would have to add brown to it. So what I'm going to do next is start mixing my colors. So you need a palette and lay your colors out, just a spoonful. I'm using tempera paint. Of each color is plenty. It doesn't take a whole lot to do this. We're only working on a 7 by 7 inch square piece of poster board. Okay. You need water and a paper towel and a medium or fine brush. A round and a flat will work fine. So you want to mix your colors together like so and start to paint each box. Now you're going to find that some of your paint might be thinner, so you might have to double up on coats. Okay. So here I'm making a green with black, and it's a very dark gray green. Next I'm going to put a little bit of red with this blue and white. Then I'm trying to match this box that you can see. It's on the second row. Alright. So it would be B2 is my section I'm going to fill in. And take your time with this and fill them in. Now one thing you could do is, if you have boxes that are of the same color, you can fill those in. At least with the first coat. If you do a second coat, then you can fill your second color on top of that and get a variation. But the whole idea here is to get you to mix your colors and try to match that dominant color. So what we're learning is how to mix these subtle colors and the differences with our colors and have control over the paint. Because when you paint, you want to be able to control the paint. You don't want the paint to be able to control you. Okay, so, and I'm not going to sit here and paint each box for you. It'll take forever. So I'm just going to show you each one as we go through. And here you can see as it progresses. Now the picture doesn't look the boxes doesn't look anything like the photograph. But the idea is pulling out your dominant colors. Okay. And there you go. So, give it a shot, see how you do it, and enjoy painting. We'll see you next time.